Hello students, how are you all? So today we will going to start the factorization, that is 11.1. What we have to do? Let me show you what is factorization first. First one, suppose I gave you a plus b into a. What you will get from there? You will say, sir, just multiply this one. Okay, if we multiply this one, we will get a square plus ab. Pretty simple over here, right? So we just multiply this one, so we get this. Now this a square plus ab is nothing but the reverse process. I mean, the factorization is nothing but the reverse process of this thing. A square plus ab will be given to you. You have to take out the most possible common outcome. So what is the most possible common outcome? A, as you did from the first. So this time you have to do the reverse process, take out the common factor. Alright, I think that is not so much difficult to understand. Still, if you have any doubt, write it in the comment section, and I am starting the chapter right now. One by one, just notice all these sums, you will learn it very easily. That is my guarantee. Okay, part one. What I told you, you have to find the most common factor over there. Let me write the sum first. That is x y cube plus 12 x square y square. Okay, so first of all, I will check about the number. That is 8 and 12 are there. We know that both having 4 as common factor, right? So take out the 4 first. Okay, no issue. And for this taking out the 4, you will have 2 in the place of 8 and 3 in the place of 12. Obviously, if you multiply 4 with 2, you will get 8. If you multiply 4 with 3, you will get 12. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So, this is done for the number. Now we are moving to the first variable, that is about x. Check out the minimum number of x is there. In the first one, we have only 1x. In the second one, we have only 2x multiplied with each other, right? So, only we can take out 1x from there, from both of that, as the minimum number of present x is 1. So, take it out as x. Then in the first one, no x will remain. But in second one, only 1x will remain. Simple one. See, I told you. Coming to second variable, that is y cube and y square. You have to see minimum. How much minimum is there? That is y square is minimum. So from the both, if you take y square, in the first one, you can see only y will remain. Because y cube is there, that means y into y into y. So if you take two y's out, only one y will remain inside. Is that clear or not? I think it should be clear very nicely. And in second one, y square was there. So you took it out, so nothing remains. So finally, congratulations, you got your factorized term. Very simple one. Just learn it very simply. Don't be confused with that. Alright, let me do another one. 4 part 2. In 4 part 2, what is given? Let me write the formula first. 14 mn, 22 m minus 62 p. Okay, what I told you? Find out the common factors. That is your work. So, and for that, I told you few steps. That is first for number. Okay. For the number, you can see that 14, 22, 62. All of them having even. That means multiple of 2. So I'm just taking out 2 for very sure. That is 7 will remain for the first one. 11 will remain for the second one, and minus sign is there. Don't mess up with sign, just remain as the sign it is. 62 is there, so we can take out as 31. So if you take out 2, obviously 31 will remain. You can check it by yourself. Acha. After that, what is going to happen? Mn, m and p. First variable, m. In first one, m is there. Okay. In second one, also m is there. That means the minimum number of m is m. No. That in third one, no m is there. That means all the terms are not having same m over here. That means same variable over here. So you can take out m from first of two, but for the third one it is not possible. And make sure when it is possible for three of them, only in that condition you can take them out. Otherwise you can't. So in this process we can't take out m. Also for n, if you notice for the second variable, it is also same thing. We can't take out n because two more terms are there which not having the n. And also for the last variable, that is p, that is two more variable also not having the value p. So we can't take it out from there. So all over, if you write it like this, 7mn, 22m, 30 minus 31p. That should be your equation, nothing else. Because no variable is most common over there, so you can't take it out. I hope it is now clear. Okay, so I will do another one from this chapter, that is 6 part 2. Okay, in 6 part 2, if you notice one thing, that is 3a x square plus y square. Then add it with 6b x square plus y square. Okay, most common mistake over here that students multiply all this thing. But listen, you don't have to multiply. The system is very nice over here. The arrangement is actually very nicely given. All you have to do, take out x square plus y square as the common factor. अच्छा, चलो इसको और भी simple करते हैं. Let me hide this one. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do? I told you about the number. But before that, just trust me, let x square plus y square equal to z. Just take it as, I'm just assuming it. So, what should be now your equation? That is 3az plus, sorry, the plus is overlapped over here. No issue with that. 3az plus 6bz. I'm just replacing x square plus y square with z. Okay, now see, the sum is very much simple to you. I told you the steps. Take out the common factor from the numbers. So 3 is the common factor first. Okay, no issue. So a is common? No, only z is common. So 3z is total common factor, while in the first one a will remain, in the second one 2b will remain. Now see, z, you assume that as z, but it is not given as z, right? So in final equation, you have to put the value of z as given initially in the question. So finally, you are getting this. I hope now you got the idea, and I made that sum pretty much simple to you. Now it is totally up to you that which path you will choose. So thank you for watching. Till then, we will meet in the next video.